Tired of cooking with a mountain of dishes? Want to make tasty meals without the mess? You are in the right place. In this video, we will show you simple and yummy one-pot meals that will save your time, energy, and dishes. Let's get started. Cooking can be fun, but the cleaning part not so much. That's why one-pot meals are a great choice. You cook everything in one pot or pan. Less mess, more flavor, perfect for busy people and lazy days. Let's cook at some amazing one pot meal ideas you can try at home. Number 1, one pot pasta with vegetables. This dish is fast, healthy, and full of flavor. You need some ingredients: pasta any kind, olive oil, garlic, onion, bell pepper, tomatoes, spinach, salt and pepper. How to make it? Heat some oil in a big pot, add chopped onion and garlic, cook for 2 minutes, and chopped bell pepper and tomatoes. Add the pasta and 3 cups of water, add salt and pepper, let it boil, cook until the pasta is soft, add spinach at the end. That's it, a colorful and tasty pasta dish in one pot. Number 2, one pot chicken and rice. This recipe is classic comfort food. Some ingredients you need: chicken cut into pieces, rice, onion, garlic, carrot, chicken broth or water, salt and spices. How to make it? In a pot, fry the chicken until golden. Add onion, garlic and carrot. Stir for a few minutes. Add rice and broth. Add salt and spices like black pepper and paprika. Cover and cook for 20 minutes on low heat. In no time, you will have a warm and filling meal for the whole family. Number 3, one pot chili. Chili is perfect for cold days and lazy nights. Some ingredients you need: ground beef or beans, onion, garlic, tomatoes, kidney beans, chili powder, salt. How to make it? Cook onion and garlic in a large pot. Add ground beef or beans if you are vegetarian. Stir until cooked. Add tomatoes, beans, chili powder and salt. Simmer for 25 minutes. Serve it with the bread or rice. Yum. Number 4, one pot egg fried rice. Fast, tasty and great for using leftover rice. Some ingredients you need: cooked rice, eggs, soy sauce, onion, green peas, oil. How to make it? Heat oil in a pan, add chopped onion and green peas. Push them to the side and crack into eggs. Scramble the eggs, add cooked rice and soy sauce. Mix everything well. Ready in minutes. Number 5, one pot lentil soup. This one is healthy and good for your palate too. Some ingredients you need: red lentils, carrots, onion, garlic, water or vegetable broth, salt and spices. How to make it? In a pot, cook onion and garlic. Add the carrot and lentils. Add water and let it boil. Cook for 20 minutes until soft. Add salt, black pepper and cook cumin. Serve hot with bread or eat it on its own. Tips for better one-pot cooking: always chop and prep before starting. Use a large non-stick pot or pan. Don't be afraid to add your favorite herbs and spices. Use leftovers like rice, pasta or veggies to save money. And there you have it, 5 easy one-pot meals that save your time and dishes. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more simple cooking tips. See you next time. Happy cooking.